Hi guys, I'm doing a digital design for this young man who has a melogenesis imperfecta. We're doing 6 composite veneers today. These teeth usually have little enamel, very fragile, very sensitive typically, and this is really going to be life-changing for him. So I'm doing a kind of a smile-driven design today. If I had just had stone models in my hand and did a wax up of this case, I wouldn't have noticed this cant that he has to the upper left. So using the whole face and smile really can show me where I need to add more. And in this case, I would have kept that cant along the same plane as he already had I not did like a facially driven plan like this. So I wanted to show you kind of my workflow in planning these cases. I'm going to toggle back and forth with the digital design that I did, and it's just really quick and simple using clone stamp tools. Sometimes I use like select and liquify tool in Photoshop just to get the edges where I think I want them, and sometimes I'll do a wax up just keeping these dimensions in mind and doing an edge template to take to the mouth. In this case I just did all direct veneers just by hand, but it really allowed me to see where I wanted the edges to be. There's only so much I could do here because of his bite and his canted on the lower two, but this really gives me some direction going into the appointment. So it was a really fun one. I want to show you the reveal soon.